Hey, there we go. I'm going to try the video here. Trying to hang things up because I think I'm MacGyver. Anyways, this is fun. I have this little camera and I'm going to video and tell you about my life, who I am. I tried to hold the camera and talk, but I bounce around a lot. I'm hyper. I got things to do. I want to sing in the sunshine and dance in the rain and trying to hold a camera on me by myself. I'd be all over the place. It'd be like a wild ride. I kind of live my life that way a little bit sometimes. On the safe side of wild, but wild, adventurous. And through this video and this new blogging platform that I'm doing now, in my way to get out there, I'm going to be able to take you on some of those rides, and through memory, through visualization, I will describe it to you. The wind in my hair and the beautiful scenes I've seen. I can tell you about it a little bit, Ski school was like the most sensational. Trucking was the most visual. And I won't tell you about the rest. Okay, well, I'm going to check it out for now. I don't want to bore you or nothing, Got to keep you entertained. So, you check back with me. Check out my blog site. Check me out on Facebook, man. It's Facebook. You can get right into my stuff. Check